Mahindra has shaken up the Indian electric vehicle scene with the launch of their electric origin SUVs, the BE6E and XEV9E. This wasn't just about launching two new electric SUVs, the BE6E and XEV9E. It was about setting a new standard for the entire industry. Mahindra boldly declared these vehicles to be global benchmarks, surpassing current expectations with features that redefine the electric driving experience. The brilliance lies in offering a choice that caters to distinct personalities. The BE6E, with its sculpted athletic exterior, is a performance machine built for those with a thirst for adrenaline. Imagine yourself gripping the steering wheel, the race-inspired digital cockpit, a futuristic canvas, displaying vital information, as you unleash the power that propels you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a heart-pounding 6.7 seconds. Every aspect of the BE6E, from its powerful stance to the responsive handling, is designed to exhilarate the thrill-seeker within. For those who prioritize luxury and comfort, the XEV9E beckons. Its sophisticated design exudes elegance, hinting at the indulgence that awaits within. Imagine yourself settling into the plush seats, surrounded by panoramic views through the sunroof bathed in customizable mood lighting. The XEV9E boasts a unique 3-screen infotainment system, creating an immersive in-car experience that caters to every passenger. Whether it's a serene drive or a social gathering on wheels, the XEV9E promises an atmosphere of unparalleled comfort and refinement. Both the BE6E and XEV9E are built upon the revolutionary INGLO electric platform, a testament to Mahindra's commitment to cutting-edge technology. This platform provides the foundation for exceptional performance, range, and safety. At the heart of these marvels lies Maya, Mahindra's very own artificial intelligence system. Imagine an intelligent companion that constantly optimizes your driving experience, ensuring seamless operation and unlocking the full potential of the BE6E and XEV9E. Imagine embarking on a long journey with peace of mind. Both SUVs boast an impressive range, with the BE6E reaching up to 682 kilometers and the XEV9E following closely behind at 656 kilometers, based on MID P1 plus P2 testing standards. This is achieved with the help of a powerful 79 kilowatt-hour battery pack, a testament to Mahindra's commitment to long-distance electric mobility. Need a quick top-up? No problem. The BE6E and XEV9E can be charged from 20% to 80% in a remarkable 20 minutes using a 175 kilowatts fast charger. Mahindra prioritizes the safety of its passengers. Both SUVs are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS Level 2+, featuring features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. This suite of safety features provides an extra layer of protection, giving you confidence and peace of mind on the road. Technology plays a starring role in the BE6E and XEV9E. Imagine having a next-generation infotainment system at your fingertips, powered by a high-performance processor and brimming with features. The XEV9E boasts 3 screens, while the BE6E features a race-inspired digital cockpit. Both offer cutting-edge features like an augmented reality head-up display that projects essential information onto the windshield, keeping your eyes focused on the road. These SUVs go beyond mere transportation. They become an extension of your lifestyle. Indulge in the immersive sound experience delivered by a premium sound system with Dolby Atmos. Personalize the mood with customizable ambient lighting and adjust the climate control to your perfect comfort level. A seamless ownership experience. Mahindra understands that ownership extends beyond the purchase. They promise a premium experience with dedicated support teams readily available to address any concerns. Range anxiety becomes a thing of the past with the Charge.in network, Mahindra's dedicated charging infrastructure. Imagine a network of charging stations readily available to keep your BE6E or XEV9E powered on your adventures. Mahindra launches BE6E starting at 18.90 lakh Indian rupee and XEV9 XEV9E starting at 21.90 lakh Indian rupee. Thanks for watching. Do consider subscribing the channel.